how to create your first Facebook ads using your phone service. This is video 2. So in this particular one now, let's make it quicker. We're going to talk about how to create ads for people who are using WhatsApp. So first thing first is we want to generate our WhatsApp link. So our number, we just add whichever number we want to add over here. So we add our number. We add a personalized message to say hello, thank you for clicking on our ad. If you have multiple products, you can say, okay, which of products do you want to buy? So to ask a question, this is how it will look like once I click on it. So we click on generate link. This is going to create a very short link for us. You can see, you just copy it. So once you've copied it, you go back to your ads manager. Let's go over to ads manager. So right here in our ads manager, so we click on create campaign. This time around we click on web traffic. Click on web traffic. Okay, that's strange. Okay, so in web traffic we pull up our image. In web traffic you can create video, carousel ads, posts, same way like the other one. You can create video, carousel. When it comes carousel, it means you can create an ad that's like multiple images. You can have multiple images. Okay, let me show you that. Let's use a carousel for this one. Let me show you how it's gonna look. So pick this image 1, this one, then we have image 2. Let's say we pick another image. We have, let's use this one, image 3. So we have a carousel ad, then we click on next. So I want to show you how it look. You can see this is how a carousel ad looks. You can see this is how a carousel ad looks. So if you have very good images about your product, this is a fantastic way to run ads. So let's use that. So the next thing we want to do is scroll up. Let's scroll up. We add our text. We have a note I wrote for this thing. Okay, this one. So let's assume we want to use this one. Let me just copy it. Let's use this one. So we'll go over to ads manager. Let's delete everything here. We paste. That's why I recommend you always write your copy first. That's your ad text first. So we copy the link. The next thing we want to do is call to action. That's what it's going to show. Let's say contact us. I like to use this one. For contact us, you can also change your carousel images here. For contact us, then our website, we add our WhatsApp link, the one we generated, to it. Then our attention grabbing, we have a spa, so this is it for a spa. Let's say okay, affordable, get affordable spa service today. Lekki. So we have a little text here that says for 5,000 naira today, for 5,000 naira today, only trying to make sure that we are within the text limit. Okay, so we are within the text limit now. Shortcuts automatically. So let's see how it looks first. Let's see how it looks. We can preview everything. So let's preview it. Let's see how it will look like. Okay. So one thing you should note is for carousel ads, you can't use them for. They're only limited to just Facebook. They're only limited to just Facebook. So, and we want to get customers from both Facebook and Instagram. So let's just change it to image, because carousel don't works on Instagram. So we change image. Let's use our spa image that we created. Yeah, this one looks good. So we click on next. So we already have you can see copy website. For our websites, I created one earlier. Where is it? So I already had the website, our WhatsApp link. So scroll down, let's see how it looks like. Okay, starting to come up. Hold on a bit. I'm trying to change some things. Let's see, contact us. Like contact us. Is there anything else I want to change? Is there anything else we want to change? Nothing else. Okay, our placement, you can remove the ones like I said in the other video. You can remove audience network and all that. Since we are trying to, okay, Messenger also will work. I should do. And also, since you're trying to send to WhatsApp, you want to remove your desktop. So we have only mobile. So there you go. So this is how it looks now. Let me see. Is there anything else we can edit here? Nothing else will find. So our audience, they're like the one we created the first video. So we pick the same audience. I click on next. Our budget, same way. So once we are done, we just click on preview. We can preview it, and then we place an order. So let it load so we can place an order for it. I want to make this video as fast as possible. So we place an order for it. So once you're done, you can see your order has been received. Facebook and all that, 24 hours, within 24 hours. So you can see we are now okay in review. So once it's active, it will show active here instead of review. So they still want I still want to make this video as quick as possible. Let me turn this one off so they don't deduct my money. This is a test ad. So another way I want to show you is for Instagram. We've not talked about Instagram since, so we're talking about Facebook, and I know a lot of people will be watching this from Instagram. So once you're in your Instagram profile, another crazy way to run a very good successful ad is go over to your profile. When you are inside your profile, and let's assume I want to run ads for one of these posts. Let's assume I want to run ads for this video, for instance. You click on, once you are here on Instagram, you click on promote. But one thing first I want to do is make sure that your bio contains your link, the link to your WhatsApp, or the link to your WhatsApp, because most people, once they see your ad, they will come back and say, okay, let me check this person's profile. So once they come to your profile to check, most times they can't find the ad again. But once they're on your profile, they can see the link to chat us on WhatsApp here. So they just click on it and talk to you on WhatsApp. So it's very good that you have a link here to your WhatsApp. So you can use the link we created. When I mean the link we created, I mean this one that we created here. Once you've copied it, you can add it to your Instagram. So let's go back here. So let's assume I want to promote this post. I click on promote. So we're presented with three options. We have promote to my profile, website, or direct messages. You can see this. So which means Instagram can send a lot of people who will send you a direct message instantly. So one of the things you can do is, if you want to promote your direct message, you can use direct message, so that will send more people to your direct message. If you want to promote to your WhatsApp, for instance, you can click on your website. You see what I'm saying? Once you click on your website, you see what it brought out, the link on your bio. You see the link on your bio. You can click on it. Let's go back. You can click on it to edit it. You can see. Let's replace it with the one we copied for our WhatsApp. This one. So we click on contact us. You can see now we have that one. So let's assume we want to use that one. We click next. Now we need to create a very specific. Don't ever use this automatic this thing, except your business involves the whole like the whole of Nigeria, or your business is super targeted already. Instagram targets people similar to your followers. Really, just click on create your own, because one, you know who your followers are. Because on Instagram, for instance, anybody can just follow you, both 13-year-olds, 14-year-olds, even people who are not really interested in what you're selling can just follow you. But it's very important you create your own. So that way you are telling Instagram, this is the kind of people who buys from me. Very, very important. So once you click on create your own, you can give it a name depending on what you, let's do restaurants. Somehow I like using restaurants, I guess because I like food. So location, same way, you search for a location. Let's do Lekki, or this time around let's do Ikeja. We use Lekki too much, let's use the Ikeja. I like Ikeja. So we click on it. You click on this checkbox here that say yes. You can see we have 180,000 people who can target in Ikeja. One other thing you want to quickly do is change the age. 13, so we do it somewhere within, let's say 22, depending on whatever your customers are. Let's say for people who buys food, let's say within work age range, I usually people within 22 to 45, people who are seeing restaurant. So let's say 22 to 50 or 48 is good. So now we have 110,000 potential people to target. So the next thing is our interest. Same way we did on Facebook, we then search. We search for restaurants. As people will go to, let's say, fast food. Yeah, fast food restaurants. People will go to fast food restaurants. The small. Yeah, people would like to order food online. You see, people. Let's do major restaurants. We are trying to get this thing to at least 50,000, depending on our budget. So let's do restaurant itself. Yeah. So it will cover everyone under this category. So we do restaurant itself. You see, we have 23,000 now. So apart from that, let's do people who like food. People who like fast food. Yeah, fast food. How many do we have now? We have 25,000. Apart from fast food, what else can we? Let's search for food again. People who like what? What about snacks? Or instead bars, yeah. Let's do bars. So how many do we have now? We have 29,000. People who do nightclubs eat. People will delivery orders, okay, home deliveries and all that. So we are trying to do what we're trying to build up the potential reach. We are only targeting Ikeja, so it simply means we have about 34,000 people over there. So we now have very good targeting so far. We have delivery orders and all that. Which one should I do? One other ways you can do is you can target your competitors, major competitors brand. Let's say Jumia Foods. Do we have Jumia Foods? Let's do OP. We don't have OP food. So let's do barbecue. Yeah, barbecue is nice. Yeah, people like barbecue. Barbecue is nice. So we still have 35,000, which is good for the whole of Ikeja. And the fact that we have 22 to 50,000 people, which is good. Let's do parties. Parties is nice. So we have 39,000. I'm trying to see if we can increase this thing to, yeah, 39,000 is okay. So let's press OK. One other way we can do is we can increase the age range. Let's do 22 to 50. 50 is small. Let's do 55. Okay, 40,000. Fantastic. So we are good. So click on next. So we have our own targeted audience. So we click on next. Here we set the budget. We can say, okay, we want it to run for 30 days at $5 a day, or we want it to run at $5 a day for, let's say, $10 a day for 3 days. So it doesn't matter whichever currency you are using, if it is naira or dollar, it really does not matter. I just set the amount you can afford a day, then you're good to go. So click on next. So right here you'll be asked to enter your payment gateway if you have not added it before. So that's why I made mention in the first place that you should have your billing in your ads account, because Facebook shares data they are the one that owns both Instagram and Facebook, so they will be able to pull out your billing details from your Facebook account. So you see, we already have our billing account added. So next we want to do is what? just click on what? Create promotion. Once you click on create promotion, you see they're going to put it, you see it, thanks, your promotion has been set for review. You can click on it and you will see it over here. You can see that, you can see it over here. So one of the, you can see it over here. So in subsequent video now, I'm going to talk about how to find your promotions, how to see if it is working and all that, what to do, and so much more. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's not too long. See you on the next one.